Kiss me with your eyes open, so you could see me when I'm melting. Kiss me with your eyes open, they dilate when you hold me close. Kiss me with your eyes open.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to Mama Show, Cooking with Mama. She don't know I'm in here doing it though, but you know, she getting the pot and stuff ready. She had to go in there and get herself together before she get on this camera, but I'm starting things off for y'all today, okay? So what you got on the menu for today is shrimp scampi. Shrimp scampi. Yeah, shrimp scampi. Yeah, we're eating the shrimp scampi today. You know what I'm saying? We got the recipes, the parsley, the garlic, the shrimps. We're gonna throw some scallops in that motherfucker too. You know, we got a little scallop game, you know what I'm saying? Shit, let's see.
Have you been recording?
Yeah. Do what you mean? Do you trying to spice your show up? They gonna love to see a young black nigga on there. Yeah, shit. Ready? I told them everything about the ingredients and stuff, so you just wanna jump right in and cooking with Mama.
All right, today I am in the kitchen and I am going to cook shrimp scampi. I have never done shrimp scampi before, so I'm following a recipe, but let me just show you guys just a few of the ingredients that you're gonna need. I've already pre-prepped the oven basically by having my water boiling for my noodles and my pan out and ready for me to get started, and already chopped and diced my vegetables that are going into my scampi. So let me just show you guys what it is that we're going to be using today. We have our parsley and garlic. I'm using the thin spaghetti, 2 boxes, but I don't know. Let's see what it says. It says serving per container is 4. So yeah, 2 boxes should be good. I have shrimp here. Then I have my scallops here, and then I have some scampi finishing sauce. I have extra virgin olive oil. I have some dry white cooking wine. I got my lemon, my fresh lemon, because I'm gonna squeeze this into it. We're gonna be using some paprika. Salt. I got this fish fry seafood seasoning. I don't know, and then I might just throw a little bit of this smokehouse maple. I have my black pepper, butter, original, and then Parmesan cheese. All right, over here, like I said, I've already pre-prepped. I got my water boiling, so I'm about to get started and put my spaghetti in there. And this is where I'm gonna saute everything to make our shrimp scampi sauce, and then we'll add this later. So stay tuned. And anytime you're about to cook, you always want to make sure that you wash your hands. Always wash your hands. No, you gotta wash your hands. Is really a simple, quick, easy meal. The longest part, the part that takes the longest is cooking the actual pasta, and even that pasta doesn't even take that long to cook, so this should be done in like 10-15 minutes max. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna use a box and a half. No, I'll just use both. And I didn't tell you guys in the beginning, you want to make sure that you put in your water that you're cooking your pasta in. You want to make sure that you put oil in it so that your spaghetti doesn't stick to each other while it's cooking. So now we're going to go ahead and get started with our what y'all were doing. Alright, so now this is all the water is out of there. And I'm gonna add a big chunk because this is a buttery sauce. So I'm adding a big chunk of butter in there. Because I do have a lot of shrimp and I have a lot of scallops that are gonna get cooked in this sauce. And I'm gonna add some of the virgin oil with the butter because it, like I said, it's a buttery, oily sauce mix. So that's what we need. Just gonna let this heat up for a little bit because we want to make sure that it's, you know, hot for when we put our scallop and our shrimp in. My parsley got in there a little bit, but it's okay. I didn't want to add parsley just yet, but that's just fine. We're just gonna let the garlic saute for a little bit in here so that we can start to have our garlicky taste. It was supposed to be diced, but I don't know how to dice up stuff, so I'm getting chunks. I love garlic anyway, so garlic be sitting. While that's over there sauteing, as you can see, our spaghetti is almost done. I'm gonna let it cook for another 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna cut it off and drain the water so it can stop cooking. You want to make sure when you smell that garlic in this butter. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in our scallops. And while that's cooking, we'll pop our shrimp. So I'm just gonna pop that in there. You want to try to make sure you go. Actually crank this back on high since we got the shrimp in there. And you're just gonna cook this until the time when you want to start adding in your seasonings, if you choose to add in your seasoning. Now your food is basically done. So now all we're gonna do is add our spaghetti. Before you add it, let's break it up so it's not all stuck together. Then we're just gonna sit it right on top and then we'll stir it in. I'm just gonna add some in here. So. Now we're gonna toast some bread. Sorry, y'all. I don't really know how to do presentation on a plate. I just slapped that bitch on. Okay. We're gonna throw some of these shrimp on here. Scallops is in there. You see that like there? Just throw some of them shrimps in there. Just like that there. You take a little bit of your fresh parsley. You sprinkle it on there like that. You know, just like that. Oops. Sprinkle it on there like that. And then, you know, when you be at the stores, well, the restaurants and stuff, they always say, would you like cheese with that? So we're just gonna do a little sprinkle. Since we already put some in there, just, you know, just a little sprinkle. You know, I got little clumps coming out, but just a little sprinkle, and ta-da! Meal is all done. So tell me how you guys like your meal, if you cooked it. Tell me how long it took you. Tell me if you did something different than what I did, so I can try your recipe. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment, and share this video. Peace.